Next, we're having GI, nothing but galvanized iron. It's a type of metal which we use for the conductivity of your leakage current, especially for the earthings, etc., etc., which are exposed to atmosphere for the lightning arresters, etc., etc. Again, we're having GLS, General Lighting Services. It's a type of standard which is followed universally, okay, for the lighting building, for the lighting industry. Again, we're having HBC, high breaking capacity. Again, we're having HRCF, nothing but high rapturing capacity fuse. So these two things comes with respect to your fuse area. As nowadays we can see for the circuit breaker, we are having the withstanding capacity, which is measured with respect to the Ka value. In the olden days, we used to have the concept of HRCF, HBC, etc., etc. How much amount of fault current this can withstand? Okay. Next, we're having IER, Indian Electrical Rules, Electricity Rules. Okay, the name itself indicate, which is followed in India especially. Next is nothing but IP, ingress of protection. Okay, for the sake of safety with respect to the atmosphere. For example, I am installing a light with respect to the external side, with respect to atmosphere side. In that case, it should be a waterproof. Okay, like you can see on the traffic signals, we are having some lights. You can see we are having some cameras. We are having some street lights, etc., etc. And so all this requirement should be of IP, should be of weatherproof based. Okay, so that because of rain, because of high temperature, etc., etc., it should withstand. So whatever the equipments which are exposed to atmosphere, those should be of IP based equipments. Again, we're having ISI, nothing but the Indian Standard Institute. So generally, whenever you're working for any kind of Indian based projects, so whatever the equipment you purchase, that should be certified with respect to ISI. Next, overload relay. Okay, so this overload relay we can provide for the transformer, for the machine, for the generator, etc., etc. So before going for the relay, what is we have to understand the relay. Okay, so remember that relay is nothing but a mechanism which is used to sense a fault. Relay is a mechanism which is used to sense a fault. Okay, which is used to send the signal to your other devices like circuit breakers, etc., etc. LED, nothing but light emitting diode, is a type of light. Again, we're having MSB, main switchboard. Like we can see in our rooms, we're having the switchboard. Okay, where we place the switches, manual switches. So this is called as a main switchboard, or we can also call it as a modular boxes also. Okay, MB, modular boxes, both are same. Next, NGR, neutral ground resistor. Okay, so this is a type of it's a type of technique to provide the earthing for the equipments. Okay, neutral ground resistors. Again, OCR, over current relay. Again, whenever we have any kind of over current for any of the equipment, so this relay we are going to use for the sake of safety. Okay, again the OLTC, on-load tap changer. This comes with respect to transformer side. As we know that for the transformer, we are having the step-up concept also to change the voltage, step-down concept also to change the voltage. Okay, so being in on-load condition, we can change the amount of voltage. Again, the OTI, oil temperature indicator. So as we know that for the transformer, we are having two different types. One is nothing but the dry transformer, one is nothing but the oil transformer. Okay, so to maintain the temperature of the oil, we used to go with respect to this type of relay, nothing but oil temperature indicator. Generally in the transformer, we have to maintain the temperature of 70 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade to the max. Okay, if you're not maintaining that temperature, insulation breakdown may come into picture. So to overcome that, we are going to use this particular relay. Again, we're having SWG, standard wire gauge. Okay, this generally a cable manufacturer will follow. Okay, to maintain the sizes, to maintain the efficiency of the cable, etc., etc. Again, we're having WTI, winding temperature indicator. Okay, this we are having for the machines, for the transformers, etc., etc. Wherever we have a winding, generally we will provide this one. So triple VF, variable voltage and variable frequency. Okay, this comes with respect to the machine side for the drive concept. As we can see that nowadays, instead of going for any kind of manual drive, okay, like your auto transformer or your starter tap, etc., etc., we are going with respect to the variable frequency drives. Okay, that comes with this concept. Again, drop off fuse, nothing but the burnout fuse. Next, we're having the SMFB, shield maintenance free battery, nothing but the dry battery. Nowadays, we can see for the UPS, for the inverter, we are having the dry battery, means nothing but use and throw. Next, we're having the JB junction box, which comes with respect to the conduit systems. Again, the PB push button. Okay, push button, nothing but your call well. TB, nothing but terminal box. This comes with respect to the conduit system only. Conduit in the sense what? The PVC pipe, by means of which we are going to pass the cables. Next, LCB, local control board, local control station. Okay, with respect to the substation side, we have this one, local control board, local control station, etc. Again, the NONC, normally open, normally close. Okay, this comes with respect to the switch or with respect to a circuit breaker or with respect to your isolator. To make a circuit, to break a circuit. Okay, we are having this concept. Next, we are having ACCL, automatic come changeover current limiter. Okay, so for example, if in your building, if you're having a generator, and if in your flat, if you're having any kind of generator connection, so to maintain the limit for the current which is coming from the generator, we will use this one. Or else what will happen? The generator will be overloaded. Okay, to not to overload the generator, we will use this one. Automatic come change our current limiter. Next, AC alternating current. Okay, nothing but a type of current. Again, the A by C air condition. Okay, remember that if you write AC, it will be alternating current. If you write A by C, it is air condition. Again, the AFL above floor level or above finish level. Okay, nothing but after laying the marble or after laying the tile, etc., etc. Above ground level, nothing but your road level, we can say. From the road level, what is the height, the plinth height, etc., etc. Again, the CCTV, closed circuit television. Okay, this comes with respect to the camera family, the security systems. Again, the EWB electric water boiler. Okay, the name itself indicate. Okay, again the FL floor level. Again the FOC fiber optic cable, the cable which we use generally for the LAN, for the CCTVs, etc., etc., for the public address systems, etc., etc. That is nothing but the fiber optic cables. Nothing but the internet cable. Again, the units of frequency kilohertz, units of frequency mega kilohertz. MS stands for the mild steel. It is a type of metal. Again, the NTS nothing but not to scale. This comes with respect to drafting side. Okay, if there is no scaling for your drawing, then they will write not to scale. If there is any kind of revision, they will write REV revision. WD working drawing. Okay, this symbol indicates a phase. Okay, remember that. Okay, in the mathematics this will be null, but in the electrical system this is nothing but phase. Again, the C indicates the conduit, nothing but a PVC pipe, by means of which we are going to pass the cable. Again, the CD is nothing but candela. What is candela? Unit of light. Again, we are having the decibel, the unit of sound. EF, nothing but exhaust fan. ELEV, elevators. Okay, nothing but your lifts and all. Again, we are having EM for the emergency, F for the fuse, FA for the fire alarm, KVA kilovolt ampere, KVAR kilovolt ampere reactive, W for the watts, kilowatts, and the megawatts, etc. So these are some of the abbreviations. You should be thorough, okay, before going for any kind of electrical projects. If you are perfect with this, then whatever might be the project you are working with, whether this is residential or commercial, whatever, you can easily understand. Like you can see, we are using different words over here, like MCB, nothing but your miniature circuit breaker, K, kilo ampere, etc., etc. TCL, total connected load, MCCB, molded case circuit breaker, etc., etc. So hopefully you can able to read any kind of drawing when you're perfect with respect to the abbreviations which I have told you just now. Okay.